Hello everyone. I'm working on getting this pile figured out. Here, hopefully, these are stamps I use on a regular basis. So might as well keep that around. Piece of fabric. Some vellum. Put with my other vellums for a future project. Piece of napkin. Some random ephemera pieces. Pieces that belong in that upper drawer that I keep. This can get put off to the side. Another random ephemera. This is for a future project. This is just a log. I don't know. I'm just gonna throw it. If I can't say why I'm gonna use it or how I'm gonna use it or why it's even around, yeah. Some of these pieces you just gotta say, okay, I'm gonna throw it away. Get rid of it instead of keeping. This is gonna go into that random ephemera piece. This is kind of cool. Don't know when I made this, but this is something I would stick on a journal, so I'm actually going to set that off to the side. This is part of this grouping of pieces. That should be paper clipped together so I don't lose them. Again, hence why I normally paper clip stuff. So this was from our envelope idea from the other day. I haven't finished on some of the projects I'm working on. This is a piece that I started filling. This needs to go underneath this because it's just book page. Alright. These are for future projects that's going to be coming up. Gail Augustinelli was making these and I thought, oh, that would be a fun idea. So now it's kind of one of those future project ideas that I just need to clip together. This is a very cute envelope that I only have one of, so I'm gonna stick it in the front there. Alright, these are pieces I recently made. This is gonna go in the garbage. These are future project pieces, or at least I thought I was going to. Deciding not to, so I'm gonna put this back in my ephemera bin. These are my postage stamps. I'm gonna set that right in front. Alright, so current and my next project should sit right here. And then put it aside. I have my spring journal swap up, but I'm done with that, so no point in keeping it. These are a bunch of tiny pieces. Alright. Where did my plastic bags go? There we go. This is all tiny little pieces of ephemera that I'm not sure what I'm doing with yet, but they don't belong here. Put them in a bag or something. That's a cover idea or journal. I don't know. We'll see. This is another one like that. Again, what's the point in keeping all this if I'm never going to use it? I don't know yet. And I may use these pieces. I don't know. That can be separate from all these. Again, this is why I go through my stuff, though, is because, especially springtime, so then I have it all put together. Having these pieces hanging out constantly, not knowing where they go and everything, is not helping me. I'll set this in the thing soon. These can go over here. Daily Bible texts, more Bible. These need to go with the same spot over there. This can go into scrap. So again, that's how hard it is. Just going through sometimes what you have and what you're planning on doing and all that jazz. These are Christmas. I mean, I still have Christmas stuff out. I mean, really? That's how far behind I am on cleaning my messes. So here we go, that, and this can go over here. Pretty sure this is needles. Yeah, just random needles that end up over here. Needles can stay with paper clips. Alright, so I mean, again, there ain't much left to this. There's Christmas stuff that needs to go to Christmas. There's envelope stuff that needs to go to the envelope thing, and there's this, which I think I'm just going to set over to the side because I always have scraps, and it's way easier if my scrap thing is nearby so I can actually take care of it. These, honestly, just want to do this. Just tear them. And I think I'm going to add these in with my faux postage stamps here. Just because that's the whole point of these, were just stamps to be used. They're not really labels, but they're not really faux stamps. But again, I wasn't really sure where to stick them, so this will work. So I take my random pieces and do what I need to do. So there we go. Got a nice home for these. Again, I didn't really know where to stick them. They're kind of label-ish, but they're not, so. Alright, and then I have a few trays left over, which is fine. They're not going to hurt anything by doing that. So I can put these away. I got to get a few bags for these few things. I want to stick this on my journal. So let's pull out the journal. And stick it on like I want to. There. So now it's on the journal that I was working on that looks sort of like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, these are more resort stuff. I hope you, again, enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.